Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 10, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 10, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, November 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 10, 2024, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, November 10, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 10, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.